In the ancient times, when the earth was still young and the people spoke a single language, a great ambition took hold of humanity. United by a common tongue, they envisioned a monumental structure, a tower that would reach the heavens, a testament to their power and ingenuity. The city of Babel, as it came to be known, was a bustling hub of activity, with workers toiling day and night, laying bricks and forging the very essence of their dreams. Yet, unbeknownst to them, their aspirations were not merely a quest for architectural grandeur, but a challenge to the divine order established by God. As the tower grew taller, so did their pride. They believed they could ascend to the heavens and make a name for themselves, free from the constraints of their Creator. But God, observing their endeavors from His throne, recognized the peril in their unity and ambition. He understood that with one language and one purpose, there was no limit to what they could achieve, and the balance of creation was at stake. Thus, in an act of divine intervention, God descended to witness the tower and the people who sought to reach Him. With a heavy heart, He decided to scatter their unity and confuse their language, so they could no longer understand one another. As the words of one became incomprehensible to the next, chaos erupted among the workers. Their once harmonious efforts devolved into confusion and strife. The builders of Babel, once driven by a singular vision, found themselves speaking in tongues, each man unable to grasp the intentions of his neighbor. The sound of hammers and chisels was drowned out by shouts of frustration and bewilderment, as the project began to crumble under the weight of disunity. In the midst of this turmoil, the workers looked around bewildered, as they realized that their dreams of grandeur were slipping away. What was once a symbol of their collective strength had transformed into a monument of their folly, a stark reminder of the limits of human ambition. As families became divided and communities fractured, the city of Babel fell silent, a ghost of what it once aspired to be. God's intervention did not merely serve to thwart their plans, but also to remind humanity of their place in creation. The scattering of the people across the earth became a powerful lesson. It illustrated the importance of humility and the dangers of pride. In His wisdom, God ensured that no single nation or people could dominate the earth, preserving the diversity of languages and cultures. The remnants of Babel stood as a testament to human ambition, but also as a warning that the pursuit of greatness, when detached from divine purpose, leads to ruin. As generations passed, the story of Babel became a parable, teaching future societies about the balance between aspiration and reverence towards the divine. It served as a reminder that while human ingenuity is to be celebrated, it must be coupled with humility and an acknowledgement of God's sovereignty. In the end, the Tower of Babel was not just a structure of stone and mortar, but a pivotal moment in the story of humanity, marking the intersection of divine will and human ambition.